If you're looking to customize proof templates and streamline your workflow, you've come to the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to customize proof templates efficiently, whether you're new to the software or simply want to fine-tune your process. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to make the most out of your proofing software. First things first, customizing proof templates is essential for creating personalized, consistent, and professional proofs. It's easy to get overwhelmed with all the options available, but we'll break it down into simple steps so you can hit the ground running. Let's start by choosing the right template. If you've never used proof templates before, don't worry. This software makes it easy to get started. Once you're logged in, head to the Proofs section. You'll see a variety of templates, but the key here is to select one that closely matches the type of work you're doing, whether it's for digital marketing campaigns, product designs, or any other project that requires feedback and collaboration. After you select a template, it's time to dive into the customization. The software gives you multiple options to adjust your template to your specific needs. First, you can tweak the layout by adjusting text boxes, colors, and fonts. This is where you'll create a look that matches your brand. Keep in mind, simplicity is key for readability and engagement, so avoid overcomplicating the design. Use the color palette to reflect your brand's identity, and ensure that the fonts are legible and professional. Now, let's move on to adjusting the content. Depending on the project, you'll need to customize the text. Whether it's a product description, project status update, or client feedback section, you can easily add your own copy. Simply click on the text areas to edit, and the changes are automatically saved. Don't forget to include placeholders for dynamic content, such as client names, dates, or unique project details, so you're ready for any situation. One of the best features of customizing proof templates is the ability to set approval workflows. You can assign different team members or clients to review the proof at various stages. This means you can tailor the review process based on the project's complexity. You'll also be able to track who has viewed or approved the proof, which helps ensure timely feedback and reduces confusion. If you're working with a team or clients, it's important to set up notification preferences. You can configure email notifications so you and your collaborators are alerted when changes are made or when it's time for approvals. This ensures that nothing slips through the cracks. Another cool customization option is adding your brand logo to the template. This adds a professional touch and reinforces your brand's identity. Upload your logo and the software will automatically place it in a designated spot on the proof. You can adjust its position, size, and visibility, making sure it complements the design without overpowering the content. As you're making these adjustments, remember that the proof template should be functional, clear, and user-friendly. The more intuitive your design, the easier it will be for your clients or team to give you useful feedback. Finally, when you're happy with your customized template, it's time to save and apply it. You can either save it as a new template or overwrite the existing one, giving you flexibility depending on the scope of your project. And if you're interested in trying out this software for yourself, you can get access for free through the first link below with exclusive bonuses. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create custom proof templates that help you stand out in your workflow, save time, and improve collaboration with your clients or team. Don't forget to grab your exclusive extended free trial through the link in the description and start customizing your proofs today.